How to use AXA Disability Insurance Ireland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. AXA Disability Insurance in Ireland is designed to replace part of your income if illness or injury stops you from working. Despite its importance, many people make mistakes that can reduce coverage or risk claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some AXA policies cover only your own occupation, while others require you to be unable to work in any occupation. Choosing the wrong type can leave you underprotected if your illness or injury only affects your current role. Neglecting the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the period before benefits begin. Longer waiting periods reduce premiums but leave you financially exposed, while shorter periods cost more but provide faster support. Matching it to your savings and expenses is essential. Underestimating benefit amounts is another trap. Coverage should reflect your income, monthly expenses and financial obligations. A benefit that is too low may leave you exposed if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is another mistake. AXA offers extras like residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these can reduce flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize claims. AXA requires full transparency during application and claim processing. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, AXA Disability Insurance Ireland can provide reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Choose the right waiting period, set adequate benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.